Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left, we have the ARIFAYZ Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera, and on the right, we have the Cosuvow Dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars. Get ready for some epic showdowns. Let's kick off this battle with the most important feature of any dash cam, video quality. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam boasts a full HD 1080p resolution, capturing every detail on the road. On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dashcam takes it up a notch with its Ultra HD 4K resolution. It's like watching your favorite movie in the cinema. Sorry ARIFAYZ, but Cosuvow takes the win in this category. Now let's talk about connectivity. Both cameras come with Wi-Fi and app control, allowing you to easily view, download, and share your footage. But here's the deal. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam's app is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones, giving you more flexibility. Cosuvow, you've got some catching up to do. Next up, we have parking mode. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam offers a 24-hour parking mode with collision detection and time-lapse recording. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car. Cosuvow, your parking mode game is strong too, but you'll need to purchase a separate hardwire kit for this feature. ARIFAYZ wins this round with its all-inclusive package. Now let's talk about design. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam is slim and compact, ensuring it won't obstruct your vision while driving. Plus, its easy installation makes it perfect for first-time users. On the other hand, Cosuvow's mini hidden design is sleek and fashionable. It won't mess with your style, but it's a bit bulkier than its competitor. It's a tie in this category. Last but not least, let's talk about storage. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam supports up to a whopping 128 GB micro SD card, giving you plenty of space for all your road adventures. Cosuvow, you're not far behind with your support for memory cards up to 128 GB. It's a tie in the storage department as well. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam is praised for its small size, intuitive interface, and affordability. Reviewers also highlight its good video and sound quality, user-friendly app, and excellent customer service. On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dashcam is praised for its easy installation, clear video quality, and user-friendly app. Overall, both cameras have positive reviews, but the choice ultimately comes down to personal preferences and budget. And there you have it, folks. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam and the Cosuvow Dashcam have battled it out in our comparison today. While Cosuvow took the lead in video quality, ARIFAYZ won in connectivity and parking mode. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your priorities and budget. Remember, whatever you choose, both dash cams will provide you with the evidence and security you need on the road. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to make your purchase. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Until next time, stay smart and drive safe.